Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can build houses in Monopoly Go. So if you want build some houses, as you can see, or hotels on your Monopoly Go board, basically here you just have to earn more Monopoly Go money. Once you have enough Monopoly Go money, you can now build your own landmarks. So to build your landmarks, tap on the build icon right here at the bottom left of your screen, and basically here you can select any buildings or landmarks that you're going to build. For example, right here, if you're going to build, it will add another house on your board. As you can see at the top, we have added two houses or hotels right there. And basically, if you're actually building your landmarks on Monopoly Go, it can help you to upgrade your network. And as you can see, one of the rewards here, if you're upgrading your network, is getting some houses or hotels. So yeah, as you can see, every time you build or upgrade a landmark, you earn a house. So when you return to the game board, your houses will be automatically placed on random property tiles. So when you place 5 houses on a single tile, the houses will automatically upgrade into a hotel. So place hotels on all of the properties of the same color set to earn a bonus prize. So you collect more rent on property tiles that contain houses or hotels. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel.